right, we're going to talk about how to deal with a pet situation in this video. And we're just going to go through an example. So when it comes to a pet, they're either going to tell you after it's confirmed or before it's confirmed. When it's before, we're trying to see if we're going to accept them or not. Typically it's before. In this case, it's actually, she already had confirmed. She already confirmed her reservation, and then she talked about the pets, which we're glad she did. And she just said, I realize there's no pets permitted. We are traveling with a small dog. I'm so sorry. I thought my search filters included pet friendly. We basically just replied, hey, we may be able to work with you. There is a $20 pet fee. If that works with you, could you tell us more about your dog? Something to take a note of here. We told them about the $20 pet fee right at the beginning. Because we don't want to collect all this information and then at the end say, oh yeah, we're going to go your pet. Oh, but it's $20. So no, we just say that at the beginning. Hey, it's $20. If that works for you, okay, then now let's talk about your pet. And so that's what we did. Whenever it comes to a pet, we're going to reject them for numerous reasons. If it's a big dog, we're going to reject it that sheds a lot. So typically they'll tell you the breed. If it's a dog that sheds, you can see that has a lot of hair, then we're just going to reject it because we don't want to deal with the extra hair. When it comes to a big dog that we do accept, typically it's going to be like a poodle or a schnoodle. It's those types of dogs that don't really drop shed, or they don't drop any really. So you can kind of look those up, and whenever they tell you a breed, you can look up the breed. Another thing that we're going to reject it for is if it's more than 2 dogs. If it's more than 2 dogs, we're just going to reject it. The most dogs we'll allow is going to be 2 dogs, and we typically only accept smaller dogs, sometimes medium-sized dogs, and most of the time we reject large dogs. Once you kind of see the kind of dogs, you'll get an idea of what to do. The other reason we're going to reject it is if it's not trained. If it's not trained, if it's a puppy, we're not even going to deal with it because we know they're going to have an accident in the unit, and that's what we don't want. So they have to be trained. Typically, and you can tell whenever a dog is part of a family, 9 times out of 10, it's trained. Like you can see here, this guy has it in a backpack and everything. I mean, yeah. But anyways, okay, so we kind of told her, hey, it's a $20 pet fee. She told us about her pet. And this guest actually went above and beyond. They sent us pictures. So that's already a super good thing. They gave us a nice descriptive paragraph. The pictures really is what did it. And, you could tell that she's a good guest in general. And she's also going to take care of the dog and make sure that, hey, everything is taken care of. So, in this particular situation, we actually approved this guest, with her pet. And yeah, then we're just going to send her a special offer. So we're going to send and request money, and we're going to do that here. I'm going to have another separate video on how to do that. But then after that, we kind of just comment a little bit about the pet. Tell them it's okay. I'll send over the request for the $20, and all you have to do is accept. Looking forward to hosting you guys. And then we also I sent it here again. And we're also going to reiterate that, hey, just a little bit of pet rules. We just ask that your pet stay off all the furniture, and that you would please pick up and dispose of any drops in the yard. Looking forward to hosting you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to approving a pet.